Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA on the 25th of March 2022 had briefed newspersons on the government's decision pending issues of ad hoc school teachers and SSA school teachers of the state. Speaking on the issue, CONRAD SANGMA informed that the demands of the ad hoc school teachers of Meghalaya is under examination, while payment of pending 2 months' salary of SSA school teachers will be released soon.
Enhancement. That is being examined. That we have not made any decision yet, but it's not in the delay of salaries. So there's a very big difference between delay of salaries and asking for enhancement. That aspect is being examined as of now. We have not taken any decision on that matter. As I say, we have worked out and we will be clearing a few months of salary, even though we have not received the funds from Delhi yet. We are working out from the state's budget. We are still waiting for the funds to be released from Delhi. You must have seen many other states are facing similar problems. Even in Assam and other neighboring states, there were issues with SSA. So this is a national problem. We are trying to work out with Government of India, but there is very little that we can do to clear everything because maximum amount comes from the center. Most of the amount is from the center, and whatever we can do from the state, even now, as I said, we are working towards clearing whatever possible from the state's budget. But we have not received the funds from the center yet, and not just ours, most of the states throughout the country.